questionable behavior part 50. We get. I know. Hi, hello everybody. Part 2 of more food. Yeah. Awkward. I don't even know what to call this.
Cookies.
Is this a cookie? I don't know. It looks soft. It says biscuit.
Biscuits are the same thing as cookies. In other places called cookies biscuits. We talked about this already.
And this is part Alex can't open a box.
We have scissors. We killed the box.
What was the point of that? Oh.
Okay. We should have had somewhere to put this stuff, if we don't like it and stuff.
Just spit on the lid.
For Pete's sake. Okay, just put it right here.
And this lid's also for safety of disgust. Oh, there's 2 in here.
Yeah.
That was not what I was expecting. Just biscuit. And the peas.
You have to remember we didn't eat lunch or anything either.
Okay. I'll get lunch later.
It tastes like a graham cracker.
It does.
Only kind of not good. It's dried out. It's not bad, but it tastes dry.
You know what? It tastes like Cheerios to me, and I don't like.
It's not my favorite.
No, not bad, not good. Edible.
Disappointing a little bit.
Hey, at least it's edible. Next, we move on to
These look good.
traditional Korean cookie. I'm just gonna. They freaking stapled it.
You want me to open it?
I got it. Yeah, oh. Let's not be so aggressive. It's beautiful. Nice packaging, though. Safe packaging. Very
Everything
safe.
individual.
Perfect. The drink is freezing my leg. Okay.
Move it.
You can find it. If we had a mic, that sound would have been beautiful.
Oh, I would have hated that. It smells like bread.
That smells like a pastry I get. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's good.
It's not bad.
Lunch pile.
I probably like it better than those, so.
Definitely. My water's over there. Like,
Have fun.
just for cleansing later. I think we should do the pastry things.
Oh yeah, we got the donut thing.
This thing scares me.
We got the one with the hole.
Yeah, we got the one with the hole, but it doesn't go all the way through. Good thing we're friends.
Friends who do stuff together.
You is for you and me.
And it's for anything and every time at all.
That just smells like dough.
Yeah.
Honestly, oh.
It was also in the fridge, so it might be a little. Ooh, that looks
I think
good.
we just found red bean.
I think Ooh, I'm excited.
Is that red?
It kind of looks.
I don't think you're supposed to refrigerate red bean. Okay, fine. That's red bean. I like it. Do you not like the taste of red bean?
There's times when I enjoy it, and there's times when I don't like it. It's the aftertaste or something.
Mine's a textural problem.
It's like the aftertaste I don't like.
Yeah, red bean is. How do you explain the taste of red bean to somebody who's never had it?
It tastes like beans, but with sweet beans, like they're sweet.
You're right. Instead of savory beans, they're more sweet.
Mm-hmm.
That makes a lot of sense. This one is a green pea filled pastry.
This one I'm scared for, and I thought that one was gonna be okay.
Do any of us like green peas?
I mean, I eat peas, but I don't know if
Oh, yeah, that's the same dough we have with every other pastry in life.
Oh.
Looks like baby poo.
Don't say that.
What? If you can compare everything to freaking, like, the worst.
Not baby poo.
I don't think you know my family. Okay, 1, 2, eat it. I don't like that texture. It's a terrible texture. That's
Never again. I'd rather die.
not a terrible flavor, but just if you don't like applesauce, you're not gonna like that.
I hate applesauce, so I can eat apples.
Let's go with the broccoli because that's a logical thing to go with. Smell it. That's
Ooh,
good.
I smelled that somewhere. I wonder where
Me
it's from.
I don't know. Somebody help
It
us.
kind of smells like fries.
I'm not gonna lie. That's not what I was expecting.
They're very skinny.
Like, this wasn't what I was expecting. Get 1, 2. That's just a cracker.
Kind of tastes like a fry, but like dried.
Disappointing.
It's not bad. It's a cracker.
Not bad, disappointing though.
Like everything we've tried.
We picked the pretty items.
Yeah.
Well,
Those aren't very pretty.
no. Let's go with the steaks.
Come on.
The crispy rolls.
These are more bean stuff. I don't know.
Well, grain. Grain does not mean bean. There's, you don't know.
Read the ingredients
I'm
and
not
you will
reading.
find.
I'm not reading anything.
It's hard.
They weren't joking when they said crispy. They weren't joking when they said crispy.
What's that song? Golden crispy, bad guys are history. I thought there was stuff in it.
There's a freaking hole.
Uh,
I don't like the smell of
it
this.
smells like butter.
Well, it is grain and milk. So, 1, 2. Definitely tastes like grain and milk.
Mm-hmm.
Continues to eat it. Clearly
Oh.
you like it enough to take multiple bites.
I was trying to taste the inside stuff.
Inside stuff, Mom?
It's like a light coating.
Oh.
Next to the milk.
I didn't know there was like honey butter.
I heard these were popular.
Yeah. I've seen a lot of YouTubers that live in Korea are like, honey butter chips are really popular. I would like to know why, so I bought some. It just hissed at me. It hissed. Oh, those smell good though.
It kind of smells sweet, but like not like honey.
They're definitely just a chip.
Like a sweet potato.
Okay.
Yeah, this is probably my favorite thing we've had.
Oh no, this is good.
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, definitely. That's. Oh yeah,
Save
now,
that.
Yeah, now this is why this is okay.
Save.
Send you home with it.
Honestly, these are pretty good.
Now I see the hype. Those are. I see you out there. I see you people out there.
Like it's subtle, but it's good. Don't die.
It's called a struggle with a water bottle. And clearly a container. How about crab chips? From, I think, Thailand? Is this Thai? I hope it's Thai. I don't... Is it gonna... Do we see the struggle here? If that wasn't audible from... All these containers are hissing at us.
It's all full of air. The smell.
It smells like fish. Crab. Oh, they're so fluffy.
I thought they would be bigger.
Oh no, I expected this. I think I saw somebody in a drama eating something similar. And she was like, oh look, I'm eating 1 crab, 2 crab. Because she was bitter that somebody was eating lobster or like crab while he was drinking beer. And it's like... That's good too.
It's not bad.
That's a lot in there
I
too.
can taste the, like,
Black pepper.
yeah.
It's black pepper flavor, so you should. More struggling with a water bottle.
Oh, that's too...
I lost it. What's nice is the top just says sparkling, so nobody knows what it is.
Everyone knows a Voss bottle.
Yeah, everybody. Let's go with pizza chips.
These have to be
Nacho pizza. We don't know what country this from, but
They have to be good. Watch them be from here.
I'd be scared. I
That
don't think
has to be
so. Because I've never seen these.
Jack and Jill? I think I've heard of Jack. I don't know. Yeah, it just seems like something crazy Americans would do. Does it smell like pizza?
That doesn't smell good.
No, that does not smell like pizza.
That doesn't smell good. Take a chip.
At least they're a fun shape.
The color looks so
1,
artificial.
2,
Okay,
3, 4, 5. 6-sided thing. What is that?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. 5 is
go.
pentagon. No.
Oh, it tastes like a pizza Pringle. I'm down.
Kind of. It's not bad.
Just not something.
Not my favorite thing. Those honey butter chips are good.
These look disgusting.
They look weird.
Turds.
Don't say gross things before I ingest them. Afterwards, I don't care, but they're huge.
Let's see,
Smells
can
like-
I break it?
Stop making a mess.
Answer to that question, no.
It's very fluffy.
Okay. I'm sorry. I want to go home.
Oh,
Let's go with the drink.
please be good, because I need something to wash.
We think it's a yogurt. We think it's a yogurt drink. We're not 100% sure.
I'm still finishing the last one.
I'll let you drink first because you're dying.
I hate that.
Oh, it smells like lemonade. There you go.
Okay.
Let's see.
It tastes like a yogurt. I don't hate that.
Oh, it's my Yakult drink. It's that probiotic drink I was
Oh, I
talking
like
about.
it. Well, I like it.
It's acquired taste. Oh yeah.
I enjoy it.
There you go. Just enjoy your... Lastly, we have marshmallows from Japan. With filling. I think there's different flavors. Does it look like the different colors would be different flavors?
Yeah, I guess. I want the green one.
Okay. You want a green? Here. Oh.
It's green and pink.
What? Do you want an only green one?
I don't care.
I'm
I'm sniffing them both.
I'll take this white one.
I guess
That
I'm
wait,
having
this
two.
wasn't even a color.
It's like orange-ish.
Is it the orange or the pink?
I'm guessing the orange.
Fluffy. Okay. Ready. We were lied to.
There's nothing.
I don't care, it's good.
Disappointed.
Do you really care? It's good.
Well, I expect feeling in my feelings, alright?
I expect more love from this person.
I'm hormonal. It's about that time and I need to eat.
I'm not putting that in the video.